Hi guys, welcome back to How To, and in this episode of OS Talk, we are going to give you a quick guide on how will your PC look after installing Linux Mint on your PC. As some of you may know it, the Linux Mint is a completely free OS and looks almost like any other Windows OS. For example, like Start menu on Microsoft Windows, we can open applications and other shortcuts from the menu on the left corner of the panel, and the panel is identical to the taskbar on Microsoft Windows. As you can see, there are many applications which are pre-installed on the OS itself, and if you want to use the internet, go to the internet option and select Firefox, or if you want to play an audio, just go to the audio and video section and select any player you want to play an audio and just enjoy your song. But you can see that I have already installed many applications which are not reinstalled on this OS. To do that, just go to the application manager and choose the right game or any other applications that you want to install. It's just like the Google Play Store on the Android phone. Just select the game or applications whichever you want and click install. It is that simple, and let's now see what the file manager will look like. And there it is. It's almost like the Windows operating system's user interface. You can see that many features here are almost identical to that of the Microsoft Windows OS. And now let's look at the settings options from the menu. As you can see, you can have all the settings and features from the system settings option from the menu. You can change anything including the hardware settings, and you can search for your hardware and drivers etc. from the internet using the options from here. And one great thing about Linux Mint is that if you want to change the background or screensaver or anything like that, you can select from more than one option, and there are a lot of images and other files that you can choose from. Let me just close that. And now let's listen to one of the songs which I download from the internet. You may notice that this is a classic media player which is found in almost all the free operating systems that you may have seen. And you can also control the music playing and skip to the next song or pause the audio from the audio or volume button on the right corner of the panel. While the song plays, let's go and check out the other features from the file manager which we have seen before. You can see that it's almost like the Windows file manager. Options are arranged on the left side of the window, and you can select almost everything from there, including hard drives and partitions which are mounted on your PC and also connect to other PCs and devices across the network using Ethernet cables etc. Let me just pause that song. And when you're using Linux OSs, you must be familiar with Terminal. The Terminal is not that hard thing to do. You can install applications or just upgrade the system using Terminal, and you may have used it one or two times when using Linux OSs. It's very easy, not that hard. You can install or upgrade anything, any applications on your system. Just type in some codes which are available on the application developer sites etc. And I will make a brief video about using Terminal later. I will make another video showing you how to upgrade your system using Terminal in the easy way. And okay guys, thanks for watching, and you have seen how will your PC look after you install Linux Mint on your PC. And you have seen Linux Mint 18.3 Cinnamon 64-bit version, which is available to download from their site, which is given in the description below. And if you haven't subscribed already, please press the subscribe button and click the notification bell for the further videos we upload. If you like the video, please click the like button and don't forget to put your comments below in the comment box. And until the next time, stay tuned.